How to scan WhatsApp QR code with another device. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scan a WhatsApp QR code using another device. It's a super easy way to connect with someone quickly. So let's dive right in. First things first, open WhatsApp on the phone where you want to scan the QR code with. Now let's move to the second device. Open WhatsApp on the second device, the one that you want to share, contact or connect with. Now simply tap on the three dots or the settings at the bottom. Now here, beside your name, here you can find QR code. Simply tap on that. Now in another phone, simply scan the QR code by simply tapping on scan like this, and you can simply scan the QR code. Now the person must be sharing the QR code by here. And that's it, you've successfully scanned a WhatsApp QR code with another device. This is a quick and secure way to connect on WhatsApp.